Good morning. It's Tuesday, June 6, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Georgia 511 traffic cam. Loop 10 in Athens at Tallahassee Road. The roads are a little wet out there this morning and a little hazy as you look off toward the distance. Not a big fog risk this morning, but this is all a result of this little blob right here that moved in from the North Georgia mountains. Actually produced some pretty good rainfall in Ellijay and Canton, and this is starting to fizzle somewhat, but still a few light showers from Athens over to Winder. And as we zoom in closer to East Georgia, a few pop-ups here moving through Savannah, heading down toward, or Sylvania rather, and around Rincon, heading towards Savannah. And these, again, pop up very quickly and then they'll dissipate. But this little cell is actually producing quite a few lightning strikes moving into Aiken County, South Carolina. Looks like that's just going to graze Augusta itself, but North Augusta and Aiken will be seeing this storm move through over the next few minutes anyway. By the time you watch this video, it probably will have dissipated, but replaced by another cell. Let's take a look at temperatures across the state. Fairly mild this morning at 68 in Cartersville, and then it gets a little cooler as you move into southeast Georgia with some low 60s in there. Not a huge difference, but when we have cooler temperatures to the south compared to the north, that's an indicator that we have competing air masses. Again, not a strong cold front or warm front going on here, but this is going to tell us that we do have the potential of some thunderstorms as we move through the day today. So that's why we have the general thunderstorm risk covering the entire state. Level 1 out of 5 risk right across the state line in the South Carolina, but a couple of strong to severe thunderstorms could be around Augusta as we move into the evening hours and even overnight tonight. Then tomorrow, level 1 out of 5 risk does move into the state of Georgia. So this is going to be around Springfield all the way down to Savannah. And then on Thursday, all of South Georgia, part of Middle Georgia will be in there as well. So really Macon south with our level 1 out of 5 risk of severe weather. Our general thunderstorm risk covers right up to the state line of Tennessee and North Carolina. So we'll watch out for some strong to severe thunderstorms as we move through the next few days. And then we get some clearing as we head into Friday and the weekend. Our modeling is really not going to tell us a lot as we look at it. Our high-res modeling, everything looks pretty quiet, but that's not going to be the case today. Just know that we're not showing a huge outbreak of showers, certainly not a big thunderstorm outbreak today, but they're going to be there, especially as we move into the afternoon. We're starting to show a little bit of this popping up on the modeling. So the only guidance this is going to give us is to know that we do have a little line that's going to develop right here, and this is where we could see a few strong to severe cells, again, around the Augusta area later on this evening. Then overnight tonight, some clouds, a little bit more moisture will be moving in, so that's going to produce some fog in some spots tomorrow morning. We head into tomorrow afternoon. Yeah, this gets pretty unsettled, and then into tomorrow evening with a few strong thunderstorms. And on Thursday, even more humidity will be filtering in, so we'll see a good chance of showers throughout the state as we move through the late morning hours on Thursday, into Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. There's that low pressure center right around Brunswick. Remember, we had high pressure located almost in this exact same spot yesterday, so we're going to swap out those air masses, and that's going to help produce a few more of those showers and thunderstorms. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.